Hi kids, how are you? So let's start with maths. Chapter 4 exercise 4.2. Over here what is given? It is given rhombus. Naming is BEND. So we have to draw a rough figure BEND, a rhombus. And there are two measurements given. Now let's see how to draw. First, as I said, always start with a sample, means a rough figure. You don't need scale, nothing. Rhombus is somewhat this way, correct? So just draw a rhombus. Just name it. What is the namings given? Just name it. Any way you can draw. You can draw B, E, N, D. Clear? This is the rough figure that I have drawn. Now let's see what all are given. Two measurements are given. One is ED. ED is given 6.5. Come on, let's see. Where is E and D? So we need to join E and D, and that is your 6.5 centimeter. What is another thing given? BN is given 5.6. BN, here the diagonal. One diagonal is DE and the other diagonal is NB. That is given how much? 5.6 centimeters. Correct? So in this figure, this is new for you people. Only two diagonals are given. Now how to start the construction, kids? Yeah. So kids, how are we going to start with the construction? Very simple. Oh, can you see? There are two diagonals given. Which is the biggest diagonal? That you will start at the center. So you can see DE 6.5. That is the bigger one. So what you will do at the center of your page, you will, with the help of a scale, you will take 6.5. How much measurement you will take? 6.5. With the scale, you will connect it and write down 6.5 centimeter, and you will also name it. It is DB. Clear this much? Now look, you don't know the center point. Only two diagonals are given. How will you draw the another diagonal? So what we need to do, take any measurement on the compass, any measurement, okay, and with center D you will draw one arc. Same way down also, or from B also same measurement with center B, arc. Same way from D downside also, take D as a center and draw one arc, B as a center and draw one arc. Can you see what I did? I took any one measurement with the compass. I drawed one arc over here this way. Similarly over here this way. Same way from here, one arc here, so that it intersects. Now kids, the point of intersections over here, with the help of a scale you will draw a straight line. Okay, you will draw a straight line. Now mine is little bit crooked. Why? Because I did not use the scale. So here, for example, this is your center point. Draw with a scale so there won't be mistake like what my diagram looks like. So this way, what did you find? You found the exact center. You bisected DB exactly into two halves. Clear? Now you know the measure. Now you got this line. This line is nothing but your diagonal. Which diagonal it is? NB. But NB is given how much, kids? See in the figure. NB is given how much? 5.6. So you will take exactly half of 5.6. That is how much? 2.8. That is 2.8 centimeter. Now with your scale and with your compass, you take 2.8, and from the center, from the center you mark an arc of 2.8. Same way from the center you mark an arc this way, and these points are known as, this is your N and this will be your B. Clear? Then you can just join it, connect these points with the help of a scale. And kids, Please do not rub your arcs. Got it? This way something. This is how your rhombus is formed. Clear? And then you can name it if you want over here. You can write the measurement how much you took. 2.8, 2.8 centimeter. And this is how your rhombus is done. Clear, kids? So with proper scale, protector, over here the protector not required. With proper scale and compass, you need to draw the diagram. You should get perfect measurement. Now whether this diagram is right or wrong, how you can measure? Just see your NB should be 5.6. With a scale, you just check it out. If it is 5.6, then your measurements are perfectly right and your sum is perfectly right. Clear? And the steps you need to write. How are you going to write the steps? First step will be draw radius 6.5, name it DB. This is your first step, correct? Then take a compass, any measurement, draw an arc with center D up and down, draw an arc from center B up and down, then draw a straight line, that is the line which will bisect segment DC. Then from the center take half of NB, that is half of 5.6. The answer you get is 2.8. So with the help of compass, marking of 2.8 from the center up and 2.8 from down, and then join the lines which you get. Those are your N and B. Clear? These are steps you have to explain. Okay, kid, we do the next exercise tomorrow. Till then, see you. Bye bye.